So today I'm going to show you how I added simple page transitions to a Nextjs 14 application. What we have is a Nextjs app with 3 web pages, a home, about, and contact page. And as the user clicks on each link, the page will transition in to add a little bit of animation. So what I have to start us off is a simple Nextjs application. And inside of our pages directory, we have 3 routes. The first route being our home route, second being the about page, and within it, I just have some simple styling, an image, some additional text. We also have a contact page which has some padding, some text, and also a input field to resemble a contact page. Finally, a part of our setup, we have a header component. This header component just has an array of objects which represent a name and href to links within our page. This header component is being housed within our main layout file, and in it we gave a little bit of padding on the Y and X, and also set the width of our screen. Now what we'd like to accomplish is to have some simple transition as we navigate in between pages. And in order to accomplish this, what we're going to be using is Framer Motion. So I've gone ahead and installed the NPM Framer Motion package. And normally what we'll like to do in order to add the motion across our application is to store this within the layout.js file. However, because of the caching with Nextjs, layout isn't the best method to use, because what'll happen is it'll remember that we have the home, about, and contact page, and it won't re-render the Framer Motion on each reload. So in order to accomplish this, what we're going to use is a template file, and this is a feature within Nextjs. So what we want to do inside of the app directory, we're going to add a file named template.js, and within this file we want to make sure that we set this to be a client-side file. We're going to import the Framer Motion package that we just installed, and we're also going to set an export default function, and we'll name this function template, passing the children, and also add in some motion animation from Framer Motion. That's going to give us that animation that we're looking for as we navigate in between pages. If we save the file and go back to our local host, we'll see that as we click on different routes, we now have a simple animation that brings a little bit of life to the navigation of our pages. Feel free to play around with the Framer Motion documentation, as it provides a lot of different options on ways that you can animate in your pages. Here's another animation that I'm going to show you where we have the page. It's going to animate in from the left side of the window. So as we click on the pages, you'll notice that the animation is from the left, and we're transitioning in the content from each particular page based on the route that we click on. So this was just a simple tutorial on how to animate pages within a Nextjs 14 application using Framer Motion. If you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to incorporate them. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, feel free to give me a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.